y is outside, 1 plus xy plus x square y square into y dx plus 1 minus xy plus x square y square into x dy is equal to 0. Means this is m, this is n. So you see, m is f1 of xy, function of xy, 1 y is outside multiplied, n is function of xy, 1 x is multiplied outside. So this is which I showed previously. This is called in case 3, we already discussed. So in case 3, our integrating factor we directly set integrating factor is equal to 1 upon mx minus ny. Max minus ny means this term m multiply with x, this term n multiply with y, and subtract it, the integrating factor is comes. Then in this question when we do this, our integrating factor is 1 upon 2 x square y square. Means we multiply this 1 upon 2 x square y square with this equation, it convert into exact, and we can apply the solution of exact equation. Next case is for homogeneous. If any homogeneous equation is given, then you just do mx plus my, finding the integrating factor, and you can solve. After that, last is the reducible to exact by inspection. So by inspection means you see the problem and you have to decide what is we have to, which factors we have to divide, it convert into reducible, reduce to exact. So I will just took some examples and show you that how we can think and solve. First one, if our equation is x dy minus y dx plus 2x cube dx equal to 0. Here we see x dy y dx. So x dy y dx, if we want to differentiate it, means in both variable, if I write dx of y is what? Means we have multiplication formula, first multiplication, second as it is, second multiplication, second differentiate, first as it is. So this is x dy plus y dx. Means dxy is equal to x dx, but this is x dy minus y dx. So if we can say, if our term is x by y, then x by y is what? X by y is denominator is y square x dy minus of y dx. But y square is also, if y square we divide here, there also this, there is only x. So we have to divide with x only. So next, if our term is d of y by x what gives? X square y dx x dy, sorry, this is x dy minus of y dx, this plus this. So now we can see, if we divide this equation with x square, so it convert into this term, we can integrate, integration of dy by x is equal to y by x, means total differentiation this is for. So our integrating factor we can see this is x square. Just divide this equation with x square. So this becomes d of y by x plus 2x dx. Integrate it. This becomes y by x plus 2x square by 2 is x square is equal to c. Our solution. So simple. If you can think and decide, this is, you are making perfect by practice and practice. How you decide what is the integrating factor. This term we can write with y square also, but if we divide this with y square, there is also comes y square, and this term we have only integration with respect to x. So we don't need any y in this term. That's why we can't able to divide y with this equation. We have just find out the integrating factor like that in terms of x only. Next question, we go for one another example. How we decide x dx plus y dy plus 2x square plus y square dx equal to 0. Now we see there is x square plus y square dx is equal to 0. We don't need y square. So if we divide this, we divide this term with x square plus y square. If we divide whole term x square plus y square, x square plus y square. So this will be in integrated form 2 dx. And this term what comes? We have to decide. So this term is what, if we see there, if we find out dy upon dx of log x is what? 1 by x. Okay. So similarly, if we want d by dx of x square, sorry, not dy, means differentiation of log x square plus y square. If x and y both are variable, so what it becomes? 1 by x square plus y square, and this term gives 2x dx. Differentiation of y is 2y dy, means 2 comes outside. Then x dx plus y dy upon x square plus y square. See, x dx plus x square becomes 2 comes here. So if we 2 comes here, 1 by 2 of d log x square plus y square is equal to this. Means it is in solvable form. So this terms is coming this plus 2 integration of dx is equal to 0. So our solution is 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square plus 2x equal to c. So directly we can substitute and solution will come. So you have to decide what terms is coming and then solve it. If you it's not easy to decide, but you saw many problems in the book. There are many solve problem you can find, and you try yourself. Unsolved problem also and solved problem also, you can find out how to decide the integrating factor and we can solve it. That's all about the reducible to exact form. So up to there, if you saw my all lectures, you have to learn about the ordinary first order first degree differential equations, how there are forms, variable, separable, homogeneous, linear, Bernoulli's, exact and reducible to exact. You can see how we can solve with my videos. It is easy, I can explain you, then you can do the practice. At least each topic, if you go through at least 8-9 problems you solve by yourself, then you can easily solve the equation. It's very easy and scoring topic, so you keep practicing. Okay, thank you for